Good evening. Could you please recommend some dishes on the menu?
Good evening. Certainly, I'd be happy to help. Are you looking for something specific, like a particular cuisine or dietary preference?
Well, I'm open to trying different things. What are some popular options here?
We have a variety of delicious options. Our seafood dishes are quite popular, especially the grilled salmon with lemon butter sauce. It's accompanied by a side of roasted vegetables and garlic mashed potatoes. Another popular choice is our chicken piccata, served with a lemon caper sauce and a side of angel hair pasta.
Those options sound tempting. What about vegetarian dishes? Do you have any recommendations for that?
Absolutely. Our vegetarian lasagna is a hit among our customers. It's made with layers of fresh pasta, roasted vegetables, and a blend of cheeses, topped with a flavorful marinara sauce. We also have a Mediterranean quinoa salad, which includes a mix of fresh vegetables, feta cheese, and a tangy vinaigrette dressing.
Both of those options sound great. I think I'll go with the grilled salmon and the vegetarian lasagna. Could you also recommend a wine to pair with these dishes?
Excellent choices. For the grilled salmon, I would suggest a crisp and refreshing Sauvignon Blanc. It complements the flavors of the fish beautifully. As for the vegetarian lasagna, a medium-bodied red wine like a Pinot Noir would be a great choice, as it complements the richness of the dish.
Thank you for the recommendations. I'll go with your suggestions. Oh, and I almost forgot, do you have any special desserts?
Certainly. We have a delectable homemade tiramisu that's always a crowd pleaser. It's made with layers of espresso-soaked ladyfingers and a creamy mascarpone filling, topped with a dusting of cocoa. We also have a warm chocolate lava cake served with a scoop of vanilla ice cream.
Both options sound irresistible. I'll have the tiramisu, please.
Excellent choice. I'll place your order for the grilled salmon, vegetarian lasagna, and the tiramisu. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, that's everything for now. Thank you for your recommendations and assistance.
You're very welcome. Your order will be up shortly. If you need anything else or have any special requests, please don't hesitate to let me know.
Thank you, I appreciate it. I'm looking forward to enjoying the meal.
My pleasure. Enjoy your evening and your meal.